Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming, you guys. Yeah, so I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a eye look with the new Sophy palette. So this is the Sophy Extra Spice palette, which the packaging just looks like this. And I will be trying one of the lipsticks. I have 2 out of the 3. I didn't pick up the fudge one. I'm kind of maybe kicking myself a little that I didn't pick it up, but I don't personally think I'm gonna wear it, and I already have a lot of lipsticks that I don't wear very often. So they all look fantastic, but dark brown lipsticks is something I just really don't reach for. So if you are darker skin, I'm so sorry that I don't have that to swatch for you or anything like that, but it's supposed to be absolutely beautiful for medium to darker skin tones. For me, I could wear it, but it's just a color I would not reach for. So there's no point in buying something I'm not going to use. So let's get started, guys, so this isn't too long. Don't forget to join my family, subscribe down below, guys. Give this a thumbs up. My friends and family. That's what I like to call you guys, friends and family. I have some awesome subscribers leaving messages, you know, sending me messages. I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to hit the likes as well, because it really helps me to boost my channel up a little bit, as I've taken a big hit on my YouTube channel in the last few months. So let's get going. So the Sophy Extra Spice palette is so beautiful, the packaging. I love it so much. I have a haul video. It'll probably go up after this showing all the Makeup Revolution stuff, but I wanted to get this up real quick because everybody is talking about it. And let's be real, guys, videos do better if you do it right away. So I want to get onto this. I ordered this the day it came out. So the 6th of June when it released, I was on at around 11:30 in the morning and I ordered it. I think it went live at 10, but I couldn't get on until about 11. And the reason why I needed this is because of all these beautiful colors, and I love Sophy. I can never miss any of her videos. She's absolutely a darling. She'll probably never watch this, but if she does, I love you, Soph, and I'm so proud for you, girl. That's so awesome. I love Makeup Revolution, and every girl who loves makeup, that's like a dream pretty much of theirs, to come up with their own makeup. So she is an awesome person and so well deserves this opportunity with Makeup Revolution. So great job, Soph. So my eyelids are primed and set and ready to go. I'm just gonna get one of my blending brushes, which is not here, so we're gonna use a different one. I usually use Blank Canvas's E20, but I'm gonna use Blank Canvas's E41 brush, which is another favorite blending brush of mine. But okay, I'm gonna go in. So my eyelids are prepped and primed and ready to go. I'm not gonna be doing my brows with this look just because I am doing the brow tint after this, after I pick my kids up from school, because it has to sit for a few hours and I didn't want to have to like have it on when I'm going to get my kids, and I haven't been able to film now because it's like 1 o'clock. So it's kind of overcast. I'm hoping the lighting is perfect because overcast is actually the best natural light to use, because then you don't have sun coming in and out. So I'm gonna start with, I don't know what kind of eye look I want to do. I know everybody's using the kind of those 3 colors, you know, the reddish pink and the orange and the yellow. I think I'm gonna avoid those colors and try something a little bit different out of this palette because everybody's kind of doing that. I'm gonna start with the color Cookie Dough though, because it is the lightest kind of transition color, which is Cookie Dough right here. I will do swatches after this, guys. Okay, so I will also put swatches for you guys at the very end, so if you want to see all the swatches of each shadow, I will be doing that. I should have probably done it before, but I kind of just want to be amazed by how awesome these are and not try to like, I don't want to see swatches really yet. I'm going to do it after. So, okay, here we go. This is Cookie Dough. Hopefully the video isn't too bright. Okay, hopefully it's not too bright for you guys. It's like you can never get the lighting exactly right. It's so annoying. Okay, Cookie Dough is really pretty. It's a little bit darker than I was expecting, so just go in with a light hand. I usually do keep my eye open because then I can see where I'm placing this. I'm holding the brush quite a ways down because I really want a really light blend. Really soft blend. I don't want it to be like really harsh and pigmented. I hope you can see that. Cookie dough. So I'm just gonna do the one eye and then I'll go off camera and do the other. So that's cookie dough. Next, we're gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with cheesecake, which is this gorgeous, it looks like kind of like a dark mauve with a reddish brown undertone. Good description, Ash, good description. Okay, so we're gonna apply a cheesecake, sorry, just along down into the corner and right up into the crease. I love colors like this. You can build it up. So what I do is I apply, kind of pat it in where I want it, like the most pigment, and then I blend out into the crease. That's kind of how I do it. Everybody has their own little techniques. You'll find your technique, don't you worry. Ooh, this cheesecake color is beautiful. I love cheesecake as well. That is pretty. And you know what? To be honest, I've seen people use Infinity, which is the lovely like silver, and I kind of wanted to do that as well. And I've seen people use LA Sun, which again, I would love to, but I think I'm gonna go in with Dreams, because I haven't really seen many people do an eye look with Dreams. So I think that'll be my lid color. I just need to blend this in. Yeah, I really like cheesecake. Like, that is beautiful. It's a little bit darker looking than the chocolate orange color, and I was gonna go in with chocolate orange, but I think I might use chocolate orange to kind of just clean it up at the end. Okay, so what I wanna do is I wanna take a concealer and we're gonna just cut the crease just a little bit, just a really light cut crease. Go from there. I'm using Catrice's concealer. So what I do is I just put a little on my hands and I just put it onto the brush where I would like it, because I don't want to go in with too much. And I'm not going to do a high cut crease. So I place it kind of where I think I want it. I'm mostly just using this to clean up and give the eyeshadow a place to stick. Again, I don't want to go too high up because I like that crease color. And then what I'm doing is blending the shadow at the end just a little bit. Okay, so that's just like the lightest cut crease. And then we're gonna go in with a brush, the E34 brush from Blank Canvas. And we're gonna take the color Dreams, which looks like a gorgeous goldy kind of color, which is right there. So that is Dreams. I haven't swatched any of these, guys. I literally have no idea what these are gonna look like. I've seen swatches of other people, but I wasn't really paying that much of attention because I did want to kind of have, ooh. And we're just placing this all over the lid. Yeah, that is really pretty. It's coming off really pretty. I hope you can see that. It's just like a lovely champagne-y gold kind of color. Really, really pretty. Okay. Yep, that is really pretty. So now I want to go in with the blending brush that I had and just put a little bit of cheesecake, like literally a little dab, and just kind of blend into that crease again and just over the top of that a little bit. But I also would like a different brush. E42, which I absolutely love, has a point on it. And I want to just kind of go over it a little bit with Romance, just the crease color. So Romance is this beautiful color here. It's kind of like a burgundy purpley kind of color. And we're going to just take a little bit of that and we're going to use that just on the crease where the two blend together. I have an itchy lip. I'm not really getting, I have tiny little bit of fallout on the eye, but really like nothing from any of the shades yet. So I'm literally just putting that Romance just on the edge and very lightly because it is just like a shimmery reddish purple kind of color. That's pretty. And we're just going to bring that up just really lightly into the crease. Just like that. Okay, and then we're going to go back in with the blending brush again with a little bit of cheesecake just on the edge and just making sure everything is blended beautifully. Oh my gosh, yes. Guys, I'm loving this eye look so much. And one thing this palette is definitely missing is kind of like an inner corner color and brow bone, mostly a brow bone because you could use Everyday and Infinity in the inner corner. I'm actually gonna go and use Infinity, which is that silver color, into the corner. Hopefully you can see Infinity because it is an absolutely beautiful bluish silver kind of color. It looks stunning. And I'm just going to place that into the inner corner. Wow. I'm just putting a little bit of this into the inner corner. Look at that. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. I'm probably just going to blend a little bit of cookie dough on the edge and call that good. Just to blend this, and then I'm gonna have to just use a different brow bone color because this one sadly does not have a brow bone color, but I love this. This is the E21 brush. I'm just using this to blend the edges with a little bit of cookie dough, and that's the look, you guys. I'll come back, do my other eye, come back, put some mascara on and stuff, and show you guys the finished look, but I'm loving this. I might add just a little bit more of that Dreams on top again just to brighten that up a bit. And that's it. All right, so that's the finished look, guys. I'm in love with these shadows. They're beautiful, pigmented. I didn't doubt it even for a second because the first palette was amazing by Sophie and Makeup Revolution. And Revolution has done it again. They have created an amazing palette for Sophie and she picked amazing colors. The only thing I would change about it is just add a kind of a highlight color for under the brow bone. That's the only thing that I feel is missing from this palette, but it's beautiful. Its swatch is amazing and I'm happy with it. So on to swatches. So the first swatch is there. Hopefully you can see it. It's like a light pinky champagne color. That is Everyday, Running Late, Infinity. This is the one I used, Cheesecake, and the other one I used, which is Cookie Dough, and then the other one I used, which is Dreams, which is a shimmer one. So you have 3 mattes on the first row and 3 shimmers. I'm getting this all over the place. So yeah, and then the middle row is here in the middle, starting with this gorgeous yellow Vitamin C, Sweet and Sour, 21. Those are all mattes. Then you have Romance, which is a red burgundy shimmer. And then you have Enchanted, which is a matte, but it's like a dark purple. And then you have the Lakes, which is like it's like a greeny gray color. Then last row is Brownies, Chocolate Orange, which is a lovely orangey, like a dirty orange is what I'm gonna call it. Then you have Mulled Wine, which is a purpley pink kind of color, which is matte. So those 3 are mattes. LA Sun, which is a shimmer. It doesn't have like a bunch of, I call them shimmers when they're not like glittery. They're like shimmery. And then you have Aurora, which the light just wants to completely wash out. There you go. Aurora, which is a green, like an army green. And then this really dark bluish green, almost black looking color is Reputation. Those are the swatches of those. I'm gonna take them off my arm now, but aren't they stunning? I'll probably be all stained. I have company coming over tonight, so don't want to be too stained. So those are the eyeshadow swatches. I love the packaging of this palette so much. And yeah, so on to quickly, this video is going to be ages long, I'm so sorry. The SophX lipsticks. So you have Syrup and Cake. If you've recently, oh, you wouldn't have seen the haul because it won't go up till after this. So I'll quickly actually swatch these for you. So this is Cake. It is pinky toned nude, which looks like that, which would probably be fine with this look. I love the packaging. Again, I love that they have a Sophie on the lipstick there. I don't know if you'll see. And then this is Syrup, which is everybody's been using, and it is a beautiful nude right there. It's more of a brownie undertoned nude. So I won't use Syrup, I'll use Cake because everybody's been using Syrup. So, oh, these are so creamy. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes, this color is beautiful. It's a beautiful, very light pink undertoned to it, but it is beautiful. And that is Cake. I'm gonna have my cake and eat it too. So yeah, so that is the nude lipstick from Sophie. Sophie did an absolutely, I still cannot get this Reputation color off my arm. It's really stuck on there. So that is the Sophie Does Nails new palette and lipsticks, and I hope that was fun and interesting for you guys. Definitely get your hands on this palette. It is stunning. Love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video with a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys real soon. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.